Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Today is Thursday, September 12th. Happy trading morning to everyone. A very interesting day in the markets today. The SPY and all the big boys, Apple, Facebook, Roku, they've just been a bit on the wacky side and a lot of volatility. Anyways, that's part and partial the reason why today I overtraded, and as well I got chopped up quite a bit. Right now, I'm just sort of stringing along a couple of very small positions in hopes to perhaps break even or even close on a green day. Because right now I'm showing a minus $34.93 loss, and you can see how many tickers I've traded this morning. Almost too many to go over. But right now, my biggest loser was DXC Technology, and really, I think I may have started to trade this a bit too quick. But what was interesting is I took what was happening. You'll be able to see here in the 5-minute candle here. A very, very weak opening. This is a 5-minute candle, guys. A very, very weak opening, and the long and short, the intent was here, once it broke the first 5 minutes on the low, I wanted to go short. It quickly started to pop up. I reduced my position. I think I might have had 1,200 shares at this point. Got cold feet, started to exit some of my position, came back up, started to come down, and exited the rest of my position. This rendered me, I think it was like a couple $100 loss here, and then sure enough, it did tank down. Bottomed out around the 31, 33 zone. I just got cold feet, and you know what? I guess the markets have no room for cold feet. Dabbled with it a little bit later on. Actually, this is where I've dabbled. I'm in the trade right now. I went short with the break of this previous candle. It came down below the 9 EMA. Kind of held, I was anticipating the break right here, which I think I did call it correctly. I entered how many shares here? I think it was only 200 shares or 300 shares. Started to come up above the 9 EMA. I think I offloaded 50 shares, and now I got that nice big drop down. I'm going to see if I can bottom out at the low of day and see if I can make something happen here. It'd be nice if it snapped, the bottom and started to pile drive down even further. But it's already pretty extended on the low. Had a big gap down, as you can see on my day chart here. Let's check it out here in the day chart. The one thing I do have is it did break this ascending support line on the bottom. It did break that, as you can see right here, guys. But however, this purple line you see here, this marked out line, is a point of resistance or support, I should rather say. So I have to be mindful of that, and that's why right now it's probably stalling out a little bit. It's moving quite slow. So let's go to the 1-minute chart and see what it's doing here. So here's my 1-minute chart on DXC. As you can see, it's just kind of creeping down. We'll see what happens here. It is showing lower lows and lower highs here, which is in my favor at this point, but there's a lot of support in this zone, let's face it, and this is why it's stalling. Let's see if it breaks down. We might happen to see a follow through down to 31, 39. Right now I got a break-even stop. It's rendering me $30 so far at the moment, but let's see what happens here. This is DXC. Whatever. But going through the rest of my trades, guys, you can see I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 different attempts, whether going long or short, and that's over 6 tickers I traded. Not proud of my trading today, but certainly not too disappointed, because if I do stay in the minus, whatever, it'll be just by a few bucks. And it's too bad, because I was up a few $100s in the day in the morning. But you never know. Sometimes you just, you push for that next step up to $400 or $500, and you give back your earnings. So today, maybe, perhaps, it just wasn't my time to take the profits. Anyways, I will stop this. Actually, here, now we're starting to see a leg down. Let's see how this trade renders out, guys. Let's see what here. It's getting bought up, though, quite quickly. You can see on the 1-minute candle here. Yeah, it's right here. Let's see if it can break this 31.45. I might be cooking with fire. But until it does that, you can see it's starting to curl. This could be the area of support, almost a double bottom bounce. But this is going to be a tricky zone. I may even offload the rest of my shares here, taking up, giving my last $32 anyways. Let's see. Okay, hold on. We're starting to see something here, which is nice. There's that leg down I wanted. That's the leg down I wanted right there. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, that's exactly what I want. Wouldn't this be nice if it broke the low of day, but the volume starting to increase right here. The volume starting to increase. It didn't top out the previous candle volume, but what is interesting, the previous candle volume is higher and it's supported. So that means there's a lot of buying and sell, And the reality is it did not break that 9 EMA. So this is all calculation-wise, this is all to my advantage, what's happening right here. So, and then boom, it broke down with that second boost of volume. It's certainly almost at the very bottom of the day. Let's go back to the 1 minute or the day chart, guys. Let's see what potential we have here. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's got room. It's got room to the 30-20 zone. So, man, I maybe should just stick in with this one, to be honest with you. It's got room to go, especially if it breaks this candle right here, which is the low is 31.10. 31.10. That's 20 cents away. So if it breaks this bottom, could be sailing, but only 63 shares. Peanuts. Let's go over to AVYA. Currently in a long position. The day charts, you can see here, massive gap down. I think this lost over 20% of its share value overnight based on news. I don't even know what the news was, to be honest with you. I don't know if it was earnings or whatnot, but it was mentioned earlier in the Bear Bulls chat room. But once again, it's starting to. This is kind of an interesting zone. There's a lot of support in this area. So with it already being 20 some odd points down, this could continue to push lower, perhaps a swing trade lower. I don't see this, momentum pile driving further down. It's already down quite a bit. Could it move? Yeah. But are the odds high of it just continuing to tumble? Probably not. And that's why if we even look on the 1 and 5 minute charts here, let's just take a quick little peek here. It's stalling out. Actually, it looks like it's even perhaps finding a little bit of a bottom here. We'll see. I am long on this position. As you can see, I went long. Okay, so what did I do here? So I went long here. This is what happened. I went long here, sold up here, came down, got cold feet, thought, I'm going to exit my full position. And then what did I do? I re-enter my position. See, sometimes it just works that way. But I'm happy, though, because, I re-entered my position. We now have a nice push up, a big leg candle up, breaking the 20 EMA here. So the 9 and the 20. So this is looking good. Now, it did have a bit of a doji here, or a reverse hammer. That means there's a lot of support up here, or resistance up here. So I may even exit this. Okay, so RX. Okay, so we're starting to see lower lows here. Let's see if this breaks down. This will be very interesting. This could very well put me into the green. Very, very short, small green, but hey, green is green, let's face it. Let's see if it breaks, guys. You're going to see if this pummels down. This is the 5 minute chart right here. If this pummels down, we might see some action. But okay, see, it's starting to gain some momentum here. Okay, look at this bullshit going on. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if it bottomed out. So the low was 31.30. This one here is 31.31. See, it didn't break a new low, but look at this. It got pushed right back down on the 9 EMA. This could be my favorite here, guys. Let's see what happens here. Let's blow this right up so we can see it in real time. Let's see if this breaks the low of day right here. I need this to break 31.30. And that would give me a few bucks on this trade. Nothing crazy, but it might put me in the green. Oh, yeah, baby. Come on. Let me see. Let me see what you got. There we go. There we go. Let's look at the level 2. Here it is, guys. We got some orders here. 31.30, 30. Okay, it's bouncing around. Let's get these orders much bigger here. Nothing crazy, but if it does drop, yeah, it's got a ways to go to get to the $30 or 31 zone. Yeah, we'll see. My position's too small though to make a real dent. Matter of fact, that being said, it's probably worth my time to exit my position, get the hell out of here, go on to my second day job. Let's see here. I don't know, it's showing signs of breaking though. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. Let's see. AVYA, I'm going long. Come on, break. There we go, there we go. Is it gonna break? It's gonna break, it's gonna break. Is that the push right now? Is that the push? Brand new, here we go, 20 seconds. We got the new candle. There it goes, there's the break. There's the break. Boom, big drop, big leg down. There we go. That's exactly what we want to have happen. So I'm gonna get out a few more shares there. Selling at the bid. What a beautiful drop. What a beautiful drop. Let's zoom right out, see what we got. See now, if we go back to the 5-minute candle, you can see it broke right here, and it broke that resistance line that I had originally pinned out. That goes back from August 28th area. You can see right here. So the next point of resistance, major resistance anyways, is going to be around that $30.30 range. So, you know, we could see a continuous fade here. We don't know. Avea, oh, come on, let's see. AVYA, is it going to hold? You son of a gun. Let's go sell. I do have a stop order on this. Let's go stop order. Is it going to hold? This will be interesting if it holds. I don't like the fact that I did that, though. I might bail on this. AV, okay, so wow, this is really pummeling down. This is beautiful for me. You know what? I'm going to take this. I'm going to go stop, break even. No, what am I? I'm long, stop, break even. Boom. Stop, break even. So I guarantee not to lose anything there. I think I had a 10-cent stop, a 10-cent minus 10-cent stop there. Let's go back here, see what it's doing on the 1-minute chart. Yeah, you're probably going to see some that's what I'm looking to see. Cover another half. Or, sorry, sell half. Cover half, sorry. Let's go right there. Let's see if it hits. Okay, cover half, 47 shares left. I'm not sure how much more we're going to get out of this, but it's still pushing. Whatever. I'm just going to get out of the trade. Let's go back over here. You know what? If I can even cover my fees today, I'm laughing. Let's just get out of this. Yeah, it's got a lot of, well, I mean, it's got room to go down, but I don't have time to sit here all day and baby this trade, so let's get out of it. Sell, bill. All right, guys, let's wrap that up. I'm certainly guaranteed to finish green in the day. A lousy potential, $30 guaranteed, but maybe a few more bucks. Till tomorrow, guys. Safe trading. Have fun, and we will see you Friday morning. And let's see if we can get another $400 or $500 day. That would really make me happy. So till then, guys, enjoy, and see you later.